Let it snow. Dave Show taking on #1 in the blizzard. All right, we audible into the inside run. Gets the block. Danny V's gone up for the first. And the devil approves. Taiwan Joseph waiting for it. Just do it until they stop it. Danny V, first down. 3rd down and 1. Danny V's got it and then some. 3rd down and 8. Oh, gave it right to him. Oh no, he's going all the way. It's a flag. I think I saw a flag. Bring it back. Throwing. Launches it. The guy's wide open. We've seen this before. 1st and goal. The pitch. Touchdown. Eddie Smith. Army's first points in 4.5 quarters in the stadium against Dave Show. Taiwan Joseph catching this at the 10 again. Gets the block, almost goes out of bounds, and gets to midfield. Runs right through and knocks Danny V down for a loss of 2. Threw it behind him, and there's a flag on the play. 3rd down and 19. Taiwan Joseph is not going to get enough. Field goal. That would have been a 62-yarder. 9 yards for Trent Campbell. Another handoff. Just going right through the defense. Humble! Recovered by the Truckers! Woo! There we go. Oh, booth review. The replay you gave me was freaking garbage. It's not even close to a fumble. No potential. Yep. Runs into Tyrone Bray and another fumble. Austin Pigbear's got it. That one's definitely a fumble. Booth review, another one. Okay. That's definitely not a fumble. Why are the refs blowing these so badly and getting me excited? After review of the play, the ruling on the field is reversed. Yeah, now open up your eyeballs. 3rd down and 2. It's a loss. Andrew Kennedy, TFL. 3rd down and 4. Wrong guy. And he's short. Quarterback froze for a second. Now he's thrown over the middle of the bush. And off to the fullback. Finds an opening, and he's still going. 3rd down and 2. Quarterback is still going. Boy, that worked out great. 3rd down and 1. Danny V's got it and then some. Ray Razib's got a block. Oh, takes a shot. Man, Army's hitting. True freshman Tony Smith. Oh, the safety blitz all over it. 3rd down and 13. Oh, couldn't get it off. Last year. And Campbell is just flying through the defense. 3rd down and 3. Focusing on the pitch man. The quarterback has got enough for the first. And the steroid mule approves. We all know that. Ellis to throw on 1st down. Launches it. The guy's wide open. Ellis throwing again. This is not Army. First and goal. They're throwing again. Ellis is going to run with it. Niner fans backing up. Quickly hikes it. Sacked! Third and goal. Caught, touchdown, Ernest Bush. That's what I get for talking smack about his name. At halftime, number one looking like number one. Shutting out Dave's show 21-0. Goes backwards to the left. Play action pass. Ellis. Picked off by Foxy Hikari. Ah. Christian Gray with the keeper. He's gonna get enough for the first. 82 rushing yards for Dave Show. Third down and 9. Caught by Taiwan Joseph. Third down and 10. James Garner, touchdown Truckers. Woo! You're saying something about a shutout? Quarterback with the keeper with a 64 speed. Oh, look at this guy. He's tearing us apart. Another handoff, another big opening. Oh, guys are on top of his back and it doesn't matter. Big opening again. Third down and 8. Ellis over the middle, caught! Touchdown, Army. Get over the top. Nope. And Christian Gray is hurt. The screen to Danny V. Missed block, but he gets by the guy. Finds an opening. Matty Lou! Serious points. This has gained us 10 yards. Danny V. There it is. 9. Christian Gray back out there. Immediately hands off to Cullen Payton, who gets 11 yards. First and goal. Jay Atkins, touchdown Truckers. Who? The redshirt freshman wide receiver. And he shanks the extra point. This controller sucks. I gotta get a new one. This one, 3rd and 2. The handoff to Campbell. He's gonna get it. And then some. Breaks free. He's gone. Touchdown, Army. 67-yard run. Sacked. No blocks. 2 straight plays of a loss. Third down and 21. Launch it. Nope, not going anywhere. The kicking meter, the controller sucks, guys. And then we went to Provo. They were ranked. Guys wide open. Now he had guys in front of him. There we go. Touchdown, Army. Taiwan Joseph gets some blocks. Open field. I can't tell what the yard lines are, but there we go. We're in Dave Show territory. 76-yard return. Picked off. Back of the end zone. Nope. 3 and out. Did not happen this year. Batted away by Anthony Huffman. Guys are walking through the stands. That was batted away. Oh, they got to him. 4th down and goal. Picked off. Look at that. So horrible. 3rd down and 5. They're throwing, and he's getting sacked. Y12G11. Play action pass. It's a penalty flag on the play. Josh Sherman, touchdown Truckers, but what's the flag?
Offside. Defense.
Woo! Going for 2. Nope, Johnny McFarland's running. Ugh. This kicks it straight out of bounds.
Free kick out of bounds. Kicking team.
They're running a play. Oh no. All right, Matty Lou in relief, 3 for 4 for 30 yards. But Christian Gray, 22 of 35, 187 yards, 3 touchdowns, 3 interceptions. They sacked him once. Matthew Ellis through the air, 11 for 13 for 183 yards, 2 touchdowns, interception. We sacked him twice. Ellis is from Port Angeles, Washington. Beautiful area up there on the peninsula. Trent Campbell went off, 21 carries for 154 yards and a touchdown. A 67-yard touchdown. Quarterback Ellis, despite the 64 speed, 12 carries, 64 yards, 2 touchdowns. Danny V, 9 catches, 39 yards. Tywan Joseph, 5 for 75. Josh Sherman, a touchdown. Jay Atkins, a touchdown. The tight end, James Garner. Running the ball, Danny V, 14 carries for 70 yards. We had more first downs. They had 459 yards of total offense, 276 on the ground. I believe that's like 4 games this year that we've given up over 200 yards rushing. 3 turnovers, back to normal. And number 1 blows us out. We're 5-6. Got to win Monday against the Battle of the Spears to be bowl eligible for a 3rd consecutive season. Otherwise, either way, it's been a tough year.